What if I told you that a galaxy, a sunflower, and a tiny seashell all follow the exact same mathematical blueprint? Today, we'll explore some fascinating wonders of nature that follow amazing mathematical patterns. Have you ever noticed that many flowers often have 3, 5, or even 8 petals? This is not a coincidence. The answer lies in a beautiful mathematical sequence known as the Fibonacci series, introduced to the West by the Italian mathematician Leonardo of Pisa, commonly known as Fibonacci. Let's look at the sequence. Do you notice a pattern? Look closer. Each term in the sequence is formed by adding the two previous terms. This simple rule gives rise to numbers that repeatedly appear in the natural world, especially in plants. Interestingly, when we take ratios of consecutive Fibonacci numbers, they slowly settle into a constant proportion, the golden ratio. The golden ratio, often represented by the Greek letter phi, is a special proportion that shows up at many places in nature. It appears when a line is divided so that the longer part relates to the shorter part, in the same way the whole relates to the longer part. If we use this ratio to build a rectangle and place a square inside it, we get a smaller rectangle, and this process can continue, creating a spiral. This golden spiral is not just a mathematical idea. We see it in shells, sunflowers, and even the arms of spiral galaxies. Another number that quietly governs the world around us is pi. It is obtained by taking the ratio between a circle's circumference and its diameter. Circles appear everywhere in nature, in ripples on water, in planetary orbits, water drops, in the shape of cells, and even in storms and cyclones. These shapes are not chosen randomly. Circle often represents balance, efficiency, and stability, and wherever circle appears, pi follows. Such consistency is not accidental. It reflects an order woven into creation itself. Bees are often called nature's architects, and when we look at the honeycomb, it's easy to see why. The cells of a honeycomb are not random, they are hexagonal. To store honey efficiently, the shape must fill space without gaps and use as little wax as possible. Among all shapes that can tile a surface evenly, the hexagon requires the least perimeter for the same area. This means less wax is used and more honey is stored, an elegant balance of efficiency and precision.
إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار لآيات لأولي الألباب.
معنا نهج حياة جئنا تبصرة عن كل ضلال أعددنا بضع رسالات تحمل نورا للأجيال معنا نهج حياة جئنا تبصرة عن كل ضلال أعددنا بضع رسالات تحمل نورا للأجيال ولكي لا ننطفئ هلموا كي نحيي فينا الآمال نزرع قيما نمحي جهلا للجنة نسعى برضا ولكي لا ننطفئ هلموا كي نحيي فينا الآمال نزرع قيما نمحي جهلا للجنة نسعى برضا هات الكف يا مسلمنا لا تغرر فالدنيا زوال فالغاية والهم الأسمى فردوس الرحمن ظلال فردوس الرحمن ظلال معنا نهج حياة جئنا تبصرة عن كل ضلال أعددنا بضع رسالات تحمل نورا للأجيال معنا نهج حياة جئنا تبصرة عن كل ضلال أعددنا بضع رسالات تحمل نورا للأجيال
Nature is filled with signs for those who pause, observe, and reflect. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala invites us to reflect upon His creation and to notice how beautifully everything is set in balance and order. These patterns are not random. They point to a design measured with precision and to a creator whose wisdom encompasses all things. Which of these patterns surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this reflection helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more explorations of the sign in creation.